Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Level English. Today, we're putting your language skills to the test with a Collocations Quiz, 35 questions to challenge your fluency. Ready to see how well you know your word pairs? Let's get started. 1. Choose the correct phrase. The artist painted a picture. Beautiful. Tips: use beautiful picture to describe aesthetically pleasing artwork. 2. Select the correct phrase. The athlete broke a record. World. Tips: use break a world record for surpassing previous achievements. 3. Select the appropriate collocation. She has knowledge of the subject. Deep. Tips: deep knowledge indicates thorough and profound understanding. 4. Choose the correct phrase. She paid attention to the details. Close. Tips: pay close attention is a collocation for focusing intently. 5. Complete the sentence, they. The final draft before submission. Checked. Tips: check the draft is commonly used for reviewing documents. 6. Select the correct collocation. She. A deep impression on the audience. Made. Tips: made an impression is the correct collocation for influencing people. 7. Which collocation is correct? He made a mistake in the project. Big. Tips: use the collocation big mistake to describe significant errors. 8. Which is the correct collocation? They. Their breath while waiting for the results. Held. Tips: held their breath is a fixed phrase for tense situations. 9. Choose the correct collocation. She. A party to celebrate her birthday. Through. Tips: through a party is a common collocation for organizing celebrations. 10. Which collocation is correct? He. A strong bond with his colleagues. Formed. Tips: formed a bond is a natural way to describe creating connections. 11. Which is the correct collocation? They. A lot of noise at the party. Made. Tips: the collocation made a lot of noise describes a noisy situation. 12. Choose the correct collocation. He. His word and kept the promise. Kept. Tips: kept his word is a fixed phrase for honoring promises. 13. Find the correct collocation. They. The rules and got disqualified. Broke. Tips: broke the rules is a common collocation for rule violations. 14. Which collocation is correct? He is tempered during the argument. Lost. Tips: lost his temper is a fixed phrase to describe losing control of emotions. 15. Select the appropriate collocation, he always. An excuse when he's late. Makes. Tips: use makes with excuse for a natural collocation. 16. Choose the correct phrase, the teacher gave us homework. Heavy. Tips: common collocation, heavy homework means a large amount of work. 17. I need to. A phone call. Make. Tips: make a call is the correct collocation for initiating a phone call. 18. She wants to. Her best in the competition. Do. Tips: do your best is the standard collocation for putting in maximum effort. 19. They. A lot of money on their vacation. Spent. Tips: you spend money for paying for goods or services. 20. He always. A mess in the kitchen. Makes. Tips: make a mess is the correct collocation for creating disorder. 21st. We need to. A decision quickly. Make. Tips: make a decision is the standard collocation for deciding something. 22. He. A good impression on everyone. Made. Tips: use make an impression to create a feeling in someone's mind. 23. Please. The dishes after dinner. Wash. Tips: wash the dishes is the correct collocation for cleaning dishes. 24. She is. A lot of progress in her studies. Making. Tips: make progress is the correct collocation for improving. 25th. They want to. A research. Do. Tips: do research is the correct collocation for carrying out a study. 26. He is going to. A chance on this new venture. Take. Tips: take a chance is the correct collocation for trying something risky. 27. We should. An effort to be on time. Make. Tips: make an effort is the standard collocation for trying hard. 28th. They need to. A complaint about the service. Make. Tips: use make a complaint to formally express dissatisfaction. 29. The company needs to. A profit. Earn. Tips: earn a profit is the standard collocation for making money. 30. She. A mistake in the exam. Made. Tips: make a mistake is the correct collocation for committing an error. 31. He is. A heavy cold. Having. Tips: have a cold is the correct collocation for being ill with a cold. 32. They are. Fun at the party. Having. Tips: have fun is the standard collocation for enjoying oneself. 33. It's important to. A good impression. Make. Tip: use make a good impression to create a positive feeling. 34. We need to. Our mind about this issue. Make. Tips: make up your mind is the standard collocation for deciding something. 35. They are going to. A walk in the park. Take. Tips: take a walk is the correct collocation for a stroll. Thanks for playing along. Don't forget to hit like, comment your score below, and subscribe for more fun quizzes. Keep leveling up your English with us at Next Level English.